Right there. So I said before I would show you how to get the brochure. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to hit my dots and go to Google Drive. Okay. Now once I open up Google Drive, I'm going to come to New. And I'm going to go to the right of the Google Docs, and I want to hit that little arrow and say from a template. Now, when we have the template, I'm going to scroll down here a little bit. Book reports, class notes, lesson plans, resumes, recipe. Might find that one interesting if you need to do that for Miss Olson's class. But otherwise, come down here. There's two different brochures. I don't know if it's what you want, but you can use either of those two. I hope it helps. Love you.